Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the phone has power and connectivity. This prevents interruptions while you repair the main menu. Back up your home layout so you can restore icons if needed. Once done, perform a forced restart by holding power for 10 to 15 seconds. This clears transient glitches. If the launcher still misbehaves, open Settings immediately and go to Apps to prepare for the next steps. Make sure you stay on screen and don't install anything before checking app status. You now target the launcher because its cache or data commonly causes menu problems. In Settings, find Apps, select the launcher, and clear cache. This removes temporary files without changing layout. If issues persist, clear app data. Understand this resets home screens and app placements. Once done, reboot the device and verify the menu. If instability continues, install an alternative launcher from the Play Store to confirm it's a launcher issue versus system. You finish with advanced measures when the launcher reset didn't fix the menu. Check for a MIUI update and install it because system patches often resolve launcher bugs. If the problem is intermittent, boot into safe mode to see whether a third-party app is the culprit. If the menu works there, uninstall recent apps. Finally, as a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up data. Troubleshooting tip: if recovery fails, try reinstalling MIUI via Official Recovery or My Flash Tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.